How to log in T3 Arena game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today, we are going to be learning how to easily log in to your existing T3 Arena account, restoring your progress, or logging in on a new device. So first of all, launch open T3 Arena game on your device, and from this main lobby screen, you have two different options to sign in with. You can log in using the sign in with TapTap option or sign in with Google option. If you tap on the window button, you will see sign in as guest. I'm just going to tap on sign in with TapTap option from the menu. If you do the same, you'll need to enter your TapTap account's credential on the next page. Click on the confirm login button if you see this authorized page. But if you are trying to log in on a new device, you need to go ahead and log in by entering your TapTap credentials. If you don't have a TapTap account, you can also choose the Google sign-in option and enter one of your Google account's credential to sign into your T3 Arena game. So that's it. That's how you easily sign in to your existing T3 Arena account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.